Good morning, class 7th. Welcome in online classes arranged by our school, Little Flowers School, Madhupuram, Masti. Students, we are studying chapter number 2, which is how do animal take food. As we know, all animals are heterotrophs. They depend on other plants or animals for their food and survival. Okay, students, today I am going to teach you about how amoeba take its food from its surrounding. As you know, students, amoeba don't have well developed digestive system. The whole body of amoeba is made up of only one cell, single cell. So, digestion, excretion, respiration, all these like processes are held inside single cell of amoeba. So, students, amoeba takes food with the help of a special type of organ present in amoeba, which is known as what? Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. Amoeba take food with the help of pseudopodia. This is pseudopodia. This is body of amoeba. Here nucleus is present. This structure is known as pseudopodia. 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 Okay. Whenever amoeba see food, suppose here is food item which amoeba want to catch, then what happens? This amoeba enlarges its pseudopodia towards the food, move its pseudopodia towards the food. Ultimately, what happens? Food is covered with a vacuole, which is known as later on food vacuole. Okay. In your book, a beautiful diagram is given regarding engulfing of food by amoeba. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 diagrams are given. Draw this diagram in your copy. How amoeba take food, how amoeba engulf food. Okay. Amoeba is having pseudopodia, that is false pit, due to which it is able to take food from its surrounding by simple diffusion process or engulfing process. Pinocytosis and phagocytosis process. When any animal used to take solid food, then the process is known as phagocytosis. आपकी बुक में phagocytosis लिखा हुआ है. तो जब कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म सॉलिड फॉर्म में फूड इंटेक करता है तो उस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं phagocytosis. Okay, so make diagram of food taking process, that is phagocytosis in amoeba. Okay, after that, digestive system or digestion in human beings is given. Human beings are having well developed alimentary canal, well developed buccal cavity. Sorry, as I told you in my previous video, that holozoic nutrition means a type of nutrition in which there is proper organ for food intake, for food digest, food assimilate and food ingest. इन सभी के लिए जब अलग अलग ऑर्गन हो और डेवलप्ड ऑर्गन हो तब ऐसे न्यूट्रिशन को हम कहते हैं होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन. ठीक है. तो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर हैविंग स्पेशल ऑर्गन्स फॉर engulfing of food, which is known as buccal cavity, for digestion of food, which is known as alimentary canal, for absorption of food, which is known as villi, which are present in small intestine, and for egestion of food, that is excretion of food, human beings are having large intestine, rectum. Okay, all these things. So a diagram is given here in your book about human alimentary canal. Open your book, in which this diagram is given of human alimentary canal, in which all parts are mentioned. Draw this diagram also in your copy. Okay. In this diagram various parts are given, which I am explaining on whiteboard. Let us know something about buccal cavity present in human beings. Buccal cavity contains three important things. Number one, teeth. Number two, tongue. And number three, salivary glands. In actual, three pairs of salivary glands present in human buccal cavity or human mouth. And as far as tongue is concerned, tongue of human being is very highly muscular, and four types of taste buds are present upon the surface of the tongue. Okay, these taste buds are responsible for feeling of different type of taste of food. So taste buds are present upon tongue, through which, with the help of which, we can taste anything. Now, what is another role of taste? Another role of tongue. Another role of tongue is it moves the food in between teeth for proper masticulation, for proper chewing. This is another role of tongue. Okay, now come to teeth. Human beings are having two sets of teeth. The first set of teeth is known as milk teeth, and second set of teeth which comes in life is known as permanent teeth. Human beings are having different types of teeth also, as written in the book. We are having incisor, we are having incisor, we are having canine, we are having premolars, and we are having molars. Four types of teeth human beings are having. Functions of these four types of teeth are different. Incisor is responsible for tearing the food, and molars are responsible for masticating the food, chewing the food. So responsibility of all these four types of teeth are different. Okay, a table is given in your book regarding teeth here. Responsibilities, functions of teeth. Table is given. Read this table very carefully, in which responsibilities of various types of teeth is given here. One more important thing written in your book about wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth. At the place of 32 teeth, ये बात आपने सुनी होगी, 32 टीथ होते हैं. तो क्या होता है, एट द प्लेस ऑफ 32 टीथ वी आर हैविंग 28 टीथ only. Only few persons are present which are having 4 teeth of molars. So these 4 teeth are known as wisdom teeth, because in everyone these 4 teeth are not present. So these are known as wisdom teeth. These are premolars. Okay, so students, today we have studied about how amoeba takes food and digestion, assimilation, engulfing of food in human beings. Okay, revise whatever we have studied today in class and make diagram which I have given to you as of now. Okay students, thank you class 7th. Meet again with a very interesting topic in next online class. Thank you class 7th. Thank you.